Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, welcome back to my channel. I have this power bank. It's type C connector charging port that is damaged. When it is connected to the charging port, it does not accept the charge because its contacts from here inside that are damaged, and from the both sides the connections are gone. How we can remove it? If you want to work on microelectronics, especially SMDs, try to use freez-it 2000. It freezes the components, it decreases the temperature of the components. Just spray it. You can see now there is ice. Immediately after that, use heat gun so that the other component will not damage with this heat. Now the PCB will save. Now it is out. Now this type C connector, it is removed from the PCB and there is no damage on the PCB. Just we have to clean it with desoldering wick, and we will apply some flux and we will place a new connector here. I hope so this video is informative. If it is informative, hit the like button. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.